Hey everyone, my name is Mario Godoy of Godoy Law Office. I'm an Illinois LATIP member, and I help immigrants to come to the United States and to remain here. And I do this in my roles as an immigration attorney and as a criminal defense attorney. So continuing on the series of great books for business owners, I want to share with you my thoughts on a book called Traction by Gino Wickman. I just got done listening to this book using the Audible app. And by the way, if you haven't signed up for Audible, I find that it's a great program offered through Amazon. And as I've gotten busier in life, I found that I can fit in some reading and I learn new material just by listening in the car or while I'm at the gym. So Traction was written on the foundation of running your business by using operating systems. And it embraces the idea of trying to systemize parts of your business so that your company can one day become its own entity that functions with or without you. And one of the parts that you can systemize is how you go about your business planning. So in this book, the author takes you through an analysis of how to set up and execute your business plan, starting from whatever your vision is, whatever your core values are, through setting it up and communicating it to the rest of the world. And while I've read many business books in the past, what I've enjoyed most about Traction were two different ideas. And I really like that instead of speaking in platitudes, it broke down business planning step by step. So one of those ideas that I learned about was the idea of the quarterly rock. And in essence, every 90 days, you establish priorities for that quarter. And then you make sure that those priorities are in line with your one-year business plan. Now, the great thing about this is that it allows you to break down that one-year plan into manageable chunks. So instead of working at everything at once, you focus your efforts on manageable chunks that you're more likely to complete. And by finishing that quarterly rock, you will actually make real impact and change in your business that you will see in as little as 90 days. Now, the other great idea that I took out of the book was the idea of managing your business through a scorecard. Now, a scorecard is a weekly report containing 5 to 15 high-level numbers for your business. And by looking at a scorecard, you'll be able to look at the trends, you'll be able to monitor the health of your business, no matter where you are. Now, the quarterly rocks and the scorecard were my two big takeaways from this book. However, I think that there are certainly other takeaways depending where you are at in your entrepreneurial life. So, Traction by Gino Wickman, I think it's a great book to add to your entrepreneurial library.